Yo, it's Chriso, just sorting out this camera. Right, we're on to the second row. Let's bang them up. This is a small, easy ensuite, people, but it's still going to look very effective, actually. Quite effective once it's all done. Quite effective. Nice. Now, I'll be coming up. Where's a piece of tile? I'll be like that. I could actually bring it up a couple of mil. But you need slope for the water to run off. So that's, yeah, that's what it's going to look like. People, they're going to get a lot of water, everything's sort of quite small. With a niche in the wall, it's sort of, it's out of the way. These shelves right in your, you know, it's going to be going up and across. The water's going to be falling here. There's going to be water off your elbows and that sort of thing. There's going to be a lot of water on this shelf, so it needs to run off. And make sure it does by having a good fall. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll put up these other couple of tiles, and then I'll come back to you when I'm doing the cut. And we're laughing. I'll show you how you cut around your pipe. Okay, people, see you soon.